Welcome back to the Tesla DIY channel. Today I'm going to try out to lift the car, to jack the car. So I bought this jack from Vivo from Amazon. This jack basically has an outlet which gets into the cigarette lighter port, and this came along with it to get the power directly from the 12 volts. What I did, I added an adapter, this adapter on my own, so just hooked onto the wires on the other side to give the bypass of 12 volts. So I have the 12 volts coming into the jack, which feeds it. It's pretty easy. I mean, I just did not even buy any adapter. It was lying at my house. So the way this works is like it has some lights. It has inflator tool, which is on this side, and it has the jack. When you press up, it you have to go in the jack mode. When you press it up, this thing starts coming out, so it will lift up the car. It supports 5 ton, so it's meant to pick up the trucks. I've seen like on the videos they have been lifting F 350 trucks and even the small vans. So the way you have to do it, you'll need to get into the truck. You need to put your ride height as high. I did the high, and then go to the service and click on the jack mode so that the car does not make any changes while you are trying to jack up the car. So let's get outside the car. So this is the puck which I got from Amazon. It doesn't have any kind of hole so that the jack will recess. So what I'm planning to do, I'm going to use the drill bit, make some round hole which will make the jack's puck sit flush with this. So let's see if we will be success. Okay guys, I'm back. So this thing basically you can adjust it. So I'm adjusting it, taking it out a little bit. It will give me a boost of 6-7 inches because we need to lift the truck a little bit high. And this is where I was stuck. I just wanted this to sit flush. I went into this cutting mode, took me a while. So maybe when you buy it from Amazon, you should try to see like thing which will sit flush. This way at least it doesn't slide when the weight of the truck is on this. uh, it will also give you extra boost. And I added another wooden plank below to give me that additional boost that I need. So there is a mounting point for the jack. You need to make sure that you are putting the jack on the mounting point. So if you see below the truck, you have a lift point, and if you go a little bit further, there is a point which says so that's the so this is the jack stand point. This one, it's listed in the manual. If you look at it, this is the jack stand, and that's the lift point. So I want to see first how this will go. uh, let's try to align it with the lift point, and maybe I will raise a little bit further. This should be enough. So let's try to turn it on. The tires are still not off. So I lost the footage. Basically, I listed up with the car jack, and the jack stand is still not engaged. Took off the wheel on the wheel dolly. It was easy. I will show you probably when I do the next wheel. So now I need to lower down the car on the jack stand. So my plan is to clean the wheels and put the CarPro, which is a ceramic coating. It will help not form that rust. If you have seen a lot of trucks having that orange reddish kind of a tinge, I also started developing that. So in order to avoid that red thing, the red rust, my plan is to clean the wheels well from inside and then put some CarPro ceramic coating. So dry your wheel thoroughly before we go for the next step of the CarPro quartz ceramic coating. I'll put the description to all these products which I'm using today in the description box below. So this is the product which I'm going to use, Deluxe C Quartz. It's meant for the plastics and the wheel coating. This is the ceramic coating. It comes with an applicator, which I'm not going to probably use while I'm doing inside. So that's the 30 ml bottle. It should be enough for all the four wheels and all the plastic trim for the CyberTruck. So exactly the same. You pour some drops on this, and the way you have to do it, you just apply it, and then wipe it clean.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late.
Since I'm going to use just the rag without any applicator pad, so it's better to put on the gloves. So now I need to divide the wheel into four parts and make sure that I do it and dry in four chunks. Try to tackle your high spots as you go.
To me you'd crawl, puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep, you should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love.
the way this goes, this dolly basically helps you move the tire. You bring the tire, align your spokes. If you need some adjustment, you can rotate the wheel so it is aligned.
Just gotta run. Just gotta run.
The main help with this dolly is that you don't have to lift the tire. It becomes much easy to maneuver the tire. So install the 6 lug nuts. I showed in the beginning. I'm using this non-marring tool. So the first thing is to loose the lug nuts while it's on semi jack.